If you are unfortunate enough to have a puncture, there are 5 things to remember, and the first and most important one is don't panic. Secondly, find a safe place to stop and change the wheel, both in terms of somewhere that's suitable, a flat, even surface if you can, and certainly somewhere where there is less risk to you from passing traffic. The third thing to do is to make sure that the car's handbrake is on and is in gear, especially if it's a front wheel, because the handbrake is operating off the rear wheels. Normally with a front wheel drive car, being in gear will help to hold the front wheel steady. If you have a chock or something you can put in place behind the wheel to stop the car rolling, use that as well. Fourthly, make sure you've got everything you need with you by your side before you start, so you don't have to go backwards and forwards to the boot to get everything. And finally, remember, before you lift the car off the ground, just crack or loosen the wheel nuts so that you're not applying a great deal of force while the car's up in the air, and do the final tightening once the car's back on the ground again so that you can safely drive the car to a Trust My Garage to get your tyre sorted out.